Guys, I'm so excited about the thing what I just did. So look, first I disconnected myself from internet. There is no internet network disconnected. Here is a proof. I don't know why still, but like, yeah, here we go. There is no internet. There is like a the dinosaur game. See, there is no internet. Let's see. I'm starting Unreal Engine. So there is no internet. Everything is disconnected from internet, right? I integrated LLaMA in Unreal Engine. LLaMA is offline ChatGPT. Unreal Engine is also complaining, but look, I'm starting it. So it's starting. It takes some time to load. And look at this. My name is Clara, and it's generating the content. And the thing is, I can type something here, right? Like a hello, boop. It's injected here. Like I was like pretending I'm doing like a Twitch chat and said like Miko314 hello, and Clara said hi there waves. What brings you to my channel today? Just wondering. Oh, cool. Well, I'm Clara, I'm artist from LA. I created abstract painting and shared them with the world through the Twitch channel. Smiles. What about you? That brings you to this lovely chat. See? It is working. There is no internet. There is no internet. No internet. It works offline. That's crazy. So let me just show quickly how things are implemented. So I made where is it? Okay, so I have like a HUD, right? And I touched to HUD. So I made the plugin which called UE5, and I just kind of touched the LLaMA component here and configure it. So right now it's still work in progress, and right now there is some like free parameters here. It's initial prompt, path to the model, and stop sentences. It's like stop sequences. Right now I put like nothing, so it just generates the content until hit the end of the stream. And that's it. And this model, I of course downloaded from internet. It's 13 billion parameters, LLaMA 2, optimized for chat. This thing I did in Blueprint. So like this plugin is implemented in C++, and you can then control everything from Blueprints. It has event which called onUToken generated, right? So and this event provides like a tokens as strings. And then I can call the add token to HUD UI. So I've got the HUD. Everything is in Blueprint from this point. So I've got the HUD. I put like stuff in the HUD, and in the graph I've got the function which called add token, and we just add the text in here, and this one. So then you updated this thing. Text is committed, right? I decorated it a little bit, so like I said, like it's Miko from Twitch chat, right? Like I put the text here, and then I added like a Clara. So yeah, I would think like it has to reply, and I also put like a 3 dots because you can interrupt generation, right? So like as soon as I start this thing and it's running, you can type at any time. You do not need to wait, and like a full response is formed, and you can inject in between, right? Like it's saying something and you can just say blah, and it's like immediately terminated this thing and start replying to your stuff. And also the thing is, it's like doing replies for you. It's because it's it's autocomplete, right? So sophisticated, smart autocomplete. So it doesn't know like it has to reply only for Clara. But there is you can do some tunings, but the thing is, it is working, and look, it's running locally, and it's quite fast. And you can make it even faster by reducing the frame rate. Right now it's 60 FPS and I do not need 60 FPS, so I can do like a 15 and it's gonna be even faster. So FPS, let's set max FPS to 15. With 15 it would be even faster because it would use less GPU resources for rendering and more GPU resources for, yeah, it's, you can see it's like moving a little bit faster. Yeah, I think probably let's me probably do things from scratch. So like let me make the project from very beginning to the end and show how to integrate my UE/LLaMA plugin into Unreal Engine. It works only for Linux right now. It's still like a very work in progress. I just started working on this thing maybe yesterday. Yeah, yesterday in the morning I started to work on this thing, and I've got this progress, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's do. So there is still no internet, right? Unreal Engine. So let's create new project. Game. Let's do blank this time. So it's C++. LLaMA demo. So no starter content. Everything is blank. So create new. And so I need to compile this thing, and to compile this thing I actually need to copy this script and run it. I can run it from command line arguments, I guess. So cd project LLaMA demo build. And yeah, I realize I do not have internet, so the plugin is on Git repository, and but I can just copy it from here. So this is the plugin. It is on Git repository, and I'm just going to copy paste it to here. So we create the directory plugins and put it here. Now we need to enable it. So let me quickly do it in my favorite editor. LLaMA demo source, and here we just have to put UE/LLaMA. Okay, and let's rebuild it again. Let's do it. I don't know. I could do it from Emacs. Oh. Okay. Somehow I screwed up the stuff here. Let's try it again. UE/LLaMA. So should build this time. Okay, looks like it's happy. So let's open it. LLaMA demo, LLaMA demo in Unreal Engine, and from now everything I can do in blueprints. So see, the plugin is I put like a bunch of warnings, just like for me to easily spot the log lines. Of course, if I will continue to work on this thing, I will clean it up. Everything is I put it on GitHub. I'll put in the description link to GitHub repository. It's an MIT license. So let's create a HUD quickly. What we need. So what I need to do, I need to create game mode, right? Well, let's put it in blueprints. Okay, so BP game mode Save. Okay, we have game on, and then we need to create HUD also. So let's call it BP HUD. Then we need to create HUD UI, the user widget. Let's call it HUD UI, BP HUD UI, and in BP HUD, in the construction script, we construct object from class, and it is BP HUD UI, and we add this thing to viewport. In event graph, on begin play, we do get first player get owning player controller, and we do set game UI or input mode. Let's do game and UI, and also let's do show mouse cursor. So I'm in a rush. Everything is a little bit ugly. Okay, and HUD UI, we do, so let's put canvas panel here, let's put text block here, let's do it like this, and edit, where is it, edit, input editable text. So let's put it here. I just want this thing not to be transparent, and I'm thinking how I can do it the fastest way. I don't know, draw as box, no. Anyways, I think I can just put the border here, like this, and put it behind, or you know, I can put this thing inside the border and make this border black. Yep. So compile, save, and let's do. Yep. So we have text here. Okay. So now we can add here LLaMA. Look at this, and paths are already specified here, and I can get, so from LLaMA it has on a new token, right, and I can print, and it should work already. So debug print. I'm not sure if it's doing things or not. Oh, wait a second, one thing. So it's not getting activated automatically because it uses quite a lot of resources. So I was thinking I should not automatically activate it, so I have to activate it manually on begin play. So now it should do things. Yeah, look at this, and we have like a debug messages here. So now I can add the function and BP HUD UI. Let's add the function graph, new function, and let's say new, or like add token, and as a parameter we can set token, and it's gonna be string. Okay, and what's going on? We can take this guy, make it variable, get this guy, get text. So I'm not very good at blueprints. I'm not sure how to do this thing properly. So what I found, it's to do it this way. First, second. So I get this thing, get this guy, and append at the end here, and then set text back. Probably I'm doing it completely wrong, but this is my way. And here we go. So this should start appending the output from LLaMA model. So if I start, oh, I forgot to I forgot to call the function from blueprint HUD. I need to call the function, so it's activated, right? And we are doing debug here, so we need to, after we created HUD UI, let's promote it to variable. Let's do it like this and like this. Okay, so we promoted it to variable, and in event graph we can take it from variable. Oh, it's called new variable. Let's rename it to HUD UI. And how did I call it? Add token? Yeah, add token. Here we go. So now HUD is going to call HUD UI add token function, which we implemented here. So yeah, hello, welcome to our blog. There is a share updates and insight. So let me reduce the frame rate, so it's gonna run faster. Set max FPS. I think 30 is good enough, so it's gonna run faster. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Snippets. This week we have a special episode all about the theme of the home. We explore that home means to different people, and oh yeah, you know, in the designer, let's make it auto wrap. Let's continue to, let's do things from here. So from edit text, you know, I want to probably add another border, so it would be better visibility. Okay, brush color black and some transparency. Okay, and for editable text, on text change, on text committed. Okay, so on text committed, so I need to send the message from HUD UI to BP HUD, but I kind of do not want to know HUD UI about BP HUD. Actually, I can do this thing, probably get HUD player controller, get player control. Maybe I can do this way, get HUD, and then I can do a cast to BP HUD. Yeah, let's do it this way. I could do this thing with the delegates with event system, but anyways, let's do it this way. And so in BP HUD we can add the function, and this would be, let's call it add prompt, and it will take string prompt string, and we'll get LLaMA and add prompt. It's like a insert prompt. Okay, so insert prompt, and here and here. Okay, so BP HUD is implemented, and now we can get and add prompt, and prompt is going to be this text, and that's it. Now we can inject prompts into the LLaMA. So I'm interested in like and blah blah blah, insert features and specs here. Oh, there is one more thing, commit method, switch. Yeah, let's do it like this, so it would not send like multiple messages. Hello, my name is Dr. and I am Clara, and I'm Clara's proud owner. I have gained experience, and I'm Clara. So you injecting directly in the train of thoughts of LLaMA language model. So, and it's, you can see it's extremely fast. It's very fast. It's like it generates like no problems. So yeah, it is. If it will gain some traction, I would continue to work on this thing. I think I kind of make the mistake making it a plugin. So like right now it's a plugin, and our people can use it, like not too many, because it's for Linux, and it requires quite powerful NVIDIA GPU with CUDA installed. But if a lot of people would be interested in this thing, I would probably continue to work on this thing. So what I'm going to do, I am probably will move this thing from the plugin and start working on separate project. And my idea is to make virtual streamer similar what is right now. There is a couple or 3 virtual streamers already, I think, like a Jesus AI, and there is what is it, there is like a 3 quite popular virtual streamers, and I will probably to do same thing. And what I'm excited is offline, so I could just use my hardware and just pay for electricity instead of like paying to OpenAI and our company. So it would be like a fully local solution, and can just do all of ridiculous stuff. And I'm really kind of, I feel like a power, because I can just get inside, like it's not like an API which provided by company and that's it, you cannot do more. I can do things like for example, injecting things in the train of thoughts. It's like an amazing thing, because like AI can just talk, right? And it's like there is messages from your chat, and they can just directly get injected. So it will interrupt the AI, and I will like change the topics. It's there is so many possibilities, and you have like a very fine control of all this stuff, which is crazy. Anyways, thank you for watching, and yeah, if it will, I'm very excited about this thing. If it will get some traction, I may continue to work on this plugin. And yeah, I will add the link to plugin in the description. So thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.